With the 2025 release of Netfabb, the color and texture module has seen significant improvements. Let's demonstrate this functionality by going to the Modify, Enhance Texture and Color module. After selecting OK, we can take a look at our CAD model's colors and textures. Here we can see that this CAD model is made up of many face groups. And when we go to the Colors tab, we can start applying colors to individual triangles, an entire shell, or we can select using our brush tool and add color to a group of triangles using the brush tool. With the 2025 release, we can also color an entire face group. So here I can pick these groups of triangles and change the color of multiple face groups with ease. If we change the color to a different color, we can select other face groups and change them manually. If we have multiple colors that we're working with, so in this instance I have 3, if I wanted to change from one of my previously selected colors to another one, I could select the pick color, choose the new color, and go to my color with brush, or color face group, or color shells to continue my coloring operation. However, with the 2025 release, we made improvements to this workflow. Now, when you're in the color with brush, color triangles, face group, or shell, you can simply select F9, select the triangle and pick its color, and when you release F9, you can continue with the color with brush, or color with triangle, or color face group, or color shell operations. Once your coloring work is done, you can go to the face groups and turn these colors into a new collection of face groups. This CAD model is made up of 321 faces. However, if I hit color to face group conversion, I now have 6 total face groups. I can select one of these face groups, right click and edit and give it a name. So let's call this blue. After naming our face groups and applying the changes to our part, we can use those face groups in the support module. If we select the part, go to the Home tab, generate supports, and open the support editor, and go to our support scripts, we can choose a custom support script, and if we execute it as is, we may get a certain set of supports. But if we customize it further, with the 2025 version, within the clusters section of a custom support, we can go to the face groups area and select the button next to the restrict by name. After doing so, we can select which face group we would like to restrict the cluster selection to. In this example, we're selecting blue, and after executing our script, you will see that the supports are only generated on the face group named blue. And using this method, you can customize which face groups get applied what support scripts. You can also use this method to avoid adding supports to certain face groups. With the ability to print parts using multiple colors becoming more mainstream, and the ever-increasing need for customization on support structure generation, Netfabb 2025 has all the tools you need to create your color models and customized support structures.